Hello, everybody. Welcome back to No Place Like Home. So glad to have y'all here today. And today I will be decorating my Christmas tree along with my granddaughter. And she's going to help me out some. So, y'all show her some love. And I'll come back at the end of the video. I just like to thank my granddaughter for being with me today. Sorry about my volume, so I have to talk it out. That's okay. Here I'm showing you how I decorated my topping, and my colors were gold and silver and a little touch of white. And we had such a good time today. I just really enjoyed this, and I just hope y'all continue to watch my videos. My next video will be my table. I have already decorated, and also my fireplace and my end table. And also I will be redoing my coffee station also. So I'm kind of doing a little bit at a time, but I hope y'all just stay tuned and watch out for my collab with Miss Brenda D, which is coming up in December. We're gonna do a collab together, and y'all watch out for that. And I just hope y'all be safe, be blessed, and be careful over the holidays, and be very watchful when you're out shopping. And always remember that God do love you so much, and so do I. Be safe, be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. And then we're gonna say bye-bye.